How to rotate a table in Google Docs. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily rotate your table in Google Docs. So as you can see, I've already created a table. If you don't know how to create a table, just head over to your Google Docs insert option over here and just click on this table, and you can select any number of rows and columns to create a table. So as you can see, I've already created 2 by 2 table. So in Google Docs, you can't actually directly rotate the table. You may elongate it just like this, but you can't directly rotate the table. So in that case, what you can do is just press Windows Shift and S on your keyboard, or you may also use the snipping tool like this snippet tool, and just select the particular version of the table that you like, just like this. So let me show you, just like this, and just click on save and just save it to your selected directory. So let me just quickly select it as a PNG file. Now I will just upload it from as an image from my computer desktop where I just saved it. So as you can see over here, so when I bring it over here, all I have to do is now just click on the image and just click on this 3 dot icon over here, and then just click on all image option, and here you'll be seeing this option called size and rotation. So just click on this drop down menu and then just click on this rotate option, and just like that you can easily rotate your table inside of your Google Docs. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.